A sleek rooftop terrace at Golden Hour features minimalist charcoal furniture, a blue flame fire pit, and glass railings offering a panoramic view of a glittering urban skyline. This tropical oasis boasts an infinity pool, white linen daybeds, and lush exotic flora. Sun-bleached decks and vibrant blooms create a luxurious, resort-style coastal retreat. Raw industrial charm defines this terrace, featuring exposed brick, reclaimed wood seating, and Edison bulbs. Galvanized planters and city views highlight a gritty, edgy aesthetic. A serene Zen sanctuary featuring a raked gravel garden, Japanese maples, and a stone water basin. Dark cedar decking and misty morning light create a peaceful, meditative space. This bohemian escape bursts with vintage rugs, mismatched colorful furniture, and hanging plants. A joyful riot of jewel tones and golden hour light creates an artistic haven. Modern minimalism shines on this high-rise terrace with polished concrete, a sunken lounge, and architectural bamboo. Warm LED accents glow against a cool, darkening cityscape. A hidden jungle canopy features giant monstera leaves, a cascading waterfall, and a thatched palapa. Rattan furniture and soft lanterns create an immersive, tropical discovery. Gritty industrial chic meets city dusk with weathered steel, communal reclaimed wood tables, and olive canvas seating. Neon signs and agave plants define this edgy urban space. Alpine warmth defines this rustic retreat, featuring a stone fireplace, sheepskin rugs, and dark wood decking. Snow-capped peaks frame a cozy, hygge-inspired mountain escape. A vibrant coastal oasis features mosaic floors, Moroccan poufs, and a repurposed boat planter. White linen curtains billow over a joyful explosion of cerulean and coral tones. Urban sophistication radiates from this terrace with charcoal modular seating, a geometric pergola, and walnut accents. Sleek materials contrast with a twilight city horizon. This Balinese-style sanctuary features a bamboo gazebo, oversized daybeds, and cascading vines. A sunset sky and infinity water feature create a tranquil, exotic resort vibe. A converted warehouse terrace showcases leather Chesterfield sofas, oil drum fire tables, and exposed brick. Moody lighting and copper accents anchor the raw urban narrative. Traditional Japanese design inspires this Zen space with a torii gate, koi pond, and raked gravel. Bonsai trees and misty mountain views create a harmonious, mindful retreat. Classic Parisian elegance shines with wrought iron railings, lavender planters, and a marble bistro set. A soft twilight sky silhouettes the Eiffel Tower for a romantic mood.